Hello everyone, good morning. It's 7:36 in the morning and I'm preparing to go to Limassol because there will be an event hosted by Need for Upgrade. It's going to be a 2 days road trip with some supercars, BMWs, sport cars and all this kind of stuff. This is the first time I'm doing this kind of video. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. I'm not so good in front of the camera. I'm better behind the camera, but probably I'll get used to it. So I've just arrived now at the warehouse and we will soon go to the Limassol Marina where everyone will meet, and then we will have a small 1.5 hour event, meeting, whatever. Just arrived here at the marina. The guys are preparing for the event. It's gonna be 1.5 hours. Just a small show before we go on our trip. And yeah, we'll keep you updated.
Hello.
Did you lose your braces? How are you, man? So, we got a t-shirt from Need for Upgrade. Really nice. It's really nice. The event, as you can see, is pretty packed. We have a bunch of cars. We have M's, M2s, we have Revueltos, we have Aventadors, Huracans, we have everything. So yeah, we'll keep you updated how the road trip will go. So we've just arrived where we're gonna eat. We will stay for about 1 hour, 1.5 hours, and then we go in Paphos to our hotel. Professional photography. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
So no, you do this with the phone, and then you do this bullshit.
Ready? Everyone here, we have 1 hour and 40 minutes of drive ahead. If you follow me, I changed the car. I have the black BMW M2. I will explain later why. Technical issues.
We're going now in the trunk and we're gonna take some rolling shots of the cars rolling. We're gonna take videos and pictures. here with Anthony. We are sharing the same hotel room today. I've been shooting from the morning, from 8:30 to 9, since the moment I arrived at the event until now. And now it's like 5:30. We are charging and preparing the cameras and the GoPros and everything that we need, our gear. Guys, check this out. Privacy. No privacy? Privacy. That's crazy, bro.
Okay. Thank you.
Do you need more light?
Yes, please, more light.
Show your light.
Bombardiero crocodilo.
Overpass me from the right and boom, slam. And so everyone can have a pass from the camera in the tunnel and also have a fast exit for them to shoot.
It's gonna die. Bro, this is scary, man.
Hold up.
Now, guys, I need your attention. Let's congratulate our team member with the Red Huracan for having the fastest car in Cyprus. Let's go! Woo!
How do you feel?
Very embarrassed.
At least you are not gay.
And there it is, guys. It's a wrap of the event. It was a very nice 2-day road trip, but all good things must come to an end. Nobody good with flowers, bro. But at least I can be happy with this. And this.